How to upload a song to Spotify. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can upload a song to Spotify, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To upload a song to Spotify, you have to have an artist account. So for that, go to artist.spotify.com. I'll also make sure to drop a link below. Now once you've done that, just click the Get Access button from the top right hand side of the screen. Now over here you can see it says Get Access to Spotify for Artists. Select whether you're an artist or manager or a label team member. In this case, I'll just select artist or manager. Now once you've done that, the next thing that you need to do is simply make sure to claim an artist profile. So right here you can see it says claim an artist profile. Click the continue option. Make sure that this is the correct Spotify account, and then make sure to click the next option. Now simply search for artist or paste your artist URL here, or you can simply go ahead and simply type in the artist that you want to claim as your own. Once you've done that, you should be able to see a list of search results, so you can select that, and now you should be able to go ahead and then actually enter those details. This way you'll be able to upload a song to Spotify after you create an artist profile. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.